The party was great, until it wasn't.
Mom, I'm not feeling well.
What's wrong, James? Tell me what's bothering you.
My stomach feels strange, it started hurting after the party.
Oh dear, did you eat too much?
I think so. Everything looked so tasty, I couldn't stop myself.
What all did you eat?
I had pizza, cake, ice cream, chips, popcorn, cookies, and even a Coke.
That's a lot of food, James. No wonder your stomach is upset.
I know, but it was hard to resist. Everyone was eating and I wanted to try everything.
I understand, but your tummy needs balance. Next time, eat slowly and don't overdo it.
You're right, Mom. I'll be careful next time.
Good. For now, you should lie down and rest.
Okay, but I need to go to the bathroom first.
Alright, go ahead. Afterwards, I'll make you some warm tea to help your stomach.
Thanks, Mom. That would help a lot.
And remember, enjoying a party doesn't mean eating everything on the table.
I'll keep that in mind. I don't want to feel sick again.
That's the spirit. Now go take care of yourself, and you'll feel better soon.
Okay, Mom. Thanks for looking after me.
Conversation with a tour guide.
Hello. We're interested in joining your city tour. Could you tell us a bit more about it?
Of course. Our guided city tour runs for about 2.5 hours and covers the main highlights of the historic downtown. You'll explore the Old Town Square, the local museum, the cathedral, and a few hidden gems along the way. It's a wonderful way to experience the city's culture and history.
That sounds really interesting. What times are the tours available?
We offer 2 daily departures, one at 9:30 a.m. and another at 2:30 p.m.
The 9:30 a.m. slot works perfectly for us. By the way, how much would it cost for 3 people?
The price is $30 per person, so $90 in total. That includes the guide, transportation during the tour, and a light snack.
That seems very reasonable. What's the best way to book?
You can book directly with me here, or if you prefer, you can book online and get a 15% discount.
Great, I'll go ahead and book online to take advantage of the discount.
Excellent choice. Once you book, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details.
Perfect. And just to check, where should we meet before the tour begins?
We'll meet at the main entrance of the Old Town Square, right next to the fountain. I'll be there 15 minutes before the tour starts to welcome everyone.
Wonderful. We're really looking forward to it.
I'm glad to hear that. It's going to be a fun and memorable experience.
Problem-solving dialogue. Fiona and Jacob.
Hey Jacob, we've run into a problem with our project.
Oh, what's going on?
The client just asked us to deliver the project 1 week earlier than planned.
That's a tough request. Do you think we can manage it?
It will be challenging, but if we plan carefully, we might pull it off.
Agreed. Let's brainstorm some options.
Maybe we can ask for extra support from our team.
Good idea. William and Olivia could help us with some tasks.
Yes, and if necessary, we can put in a few extra hours this week.
True. We should also prioritize the most critical tasks first.
Absolutely. Let's make a clear list of what needs to be done.
Okay, I'll note it down. First priority is finishing the report. I can start working on it today.
Perfect. I'll focus on preparing the presentation slides.
We should also schedule a quick meeting with William and Olivia to explain the situation and assign tasks.
Yes, let's set up a meeting this afternoon.
Great. Should we also inform the client that we're adjusting our plan?
That's smart. It will show them we're proactive. I can draft a short update email.
Excellent. Once we align with William and Olivia, we'll have a clearer picture of what's possible.
Sounds good. Let's stay flexible and keep communicating daily so we don't fall behind.
Agreed. If we stay focused, I think we can meet the new deadline.
Then let's get started right away.
Sweet plans for Auntie's party.
Hey Emma, are you free this Friday evening after work?
I think so. What's going on?
My aunt is hosting a party and she invited us.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Do we need to bring anything?
She said she's handling the main dishes, so we could bring a side or maybe a dessert.
Since it's summer, something light and refreshing would be perfect.
How about homemade ice cream?
That's a brilliant idea. Have you ever made ice cream before?
Just once, years ago with my mom. She made vanilla ice cream, it was so creamy and tangy. I can still remember the taste melting on my tongue. Honestly, I'm craving it right now.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Why don't we try making your mom's vanilla ice cream for the party?
I'd love that. You might need to call her and get the recipe though.
Sure, I'll ask her. Do you want to come with me when I shop for the ingredients?
Absolutely. It'll be fun to do it together. Plus, I can help carry the bags.
Perfect. And maybe we can also make a second flavor, just in case people want variety.
Great idea. Maybe something classic, like chocolate or orange, alongside the vanilla.
Yes. That way everyone will have options. I'm already excited about this.
Same here. Auntie will be thrilled when she sees we brought homemade ice cream.
Let's make it special. Maybe we can decorate the bowls with fresh fruit or mint leaves.
Nice touch. It'll look fancy and taste amazing.